Hey everyone, welcome back. I have uploaded one of the video recently for the badge to cover all the points. But I see there are a couple of people, are facing some of the challenge that they are saying flow is not getting paused and they are not seeing the proper result out of it. So I thought I'll just quickly, help these people and create a separate video. I should have covered all those points to my uh, in my video, but I thought let's cover in the video so that you people will not struggle much on that. So for that reason only, I'm creating one more video. Please go to first challenge one video. If you see the challenge and you don't see elements are not getting paused and and the flow is not functioning as such, so please go to this video, come back to this video and see that if that works. You just need to refer this for the challenge one needs to be done. You just refer this one this particular video. So what one of the subscriber is facing this issue is the flow is not getting stopped and a wait and condition is required. So I've asked him to check some of the conditions. So what basically you need to first mainly focus on this one is you first create the flow. That's all, which I have mentioned in my previous video. But to make sure you have this setting enabled, pause or this one second, because one of the subscriber has given me access of his, I am not sure his or her scratch out. So I'm working on that. So currently if I see the user, it was not checked, so I made it checked. So processing, so make sure the settings is enabled and you save it. And what you need to do is next thing is all pause flow is here, null is there, or if anything is there, just delete it out, so that in case you get confused or something like that. So first thing you need to do is, first thing you design the flow, done everything from your side, go and then you should do the debug, and then click on debug. You need to uncheck this one, and then you need to query in your org, get some test this one test record and give the mission number here and try to, so make sure you don't have selected here. Maybe you can select this one, roll back, and one sec, maybe I've tested that one, so might have status have changed. So make sure you select the option is roll back, so that no updates flow to the record. So just click here and see here, you can see the pause element has been triggered and rollback has been done. So I think we might see issue here. No, yeah, so what you need to do is you need to, my bad actually, so you need to uncheck all the options and then try it out, and then you click on run. Yeah, so run will basically go ahead and pause the flow. So here you quickly need to come here and see, you can see you have pause element, your record has been created under pause interview. So this flow will be paused until you create a event. You create an event for since you have added a condition, right, to create an event. Whenever it sees the event here, then only it gets resumed. So currently you can see this is not getting resumed and it will stay for forever. So what I need to, you people need to do is, if you might have done this trial head where you have to set up your org and set up your Postman collection and everything. So that you need to do, and you need to go here and you need to follow, I mean whatever it's mentioned here, you need to follow and keep the collection with you. And then I will tell you when you have collection ready. Let's say I'm assuming now you have done all the steps and you have a collection ready in your local. So like this, I have my Postman and this collection is ready. So what you need to do is you need to give the URL of your scratch out here and go and click on authenticate. So once you do that, so authenticate means make sure your org is that only. So authenticate, allow, click OK, proceed. And I'm assuming you have done all those steps, so that's why I'm quickly moving and doing that. So use this token and go to here, copy the, maybe I can just copy this URL only and put it here, just save. Now what you need to do is to publish the event. So to publish event, you need to go and find out API. So the API should be I forget it where it was, subscription management, pricing code. No, it should not be here. One second, event platform, my bad. So publish platform event, publish one platform event. So I need to give, so this is nothing you have to do. Your all the settings will be done automatically. The variables, everything will be set here in this. So all the variable you can check if you want. Otherwise you don't need to worry about, all the tokens version has been already been set. So what you need to do is you need to push this JSON. Make sure the contact ID and everything belongs to your org. So I can see mission is ID is fine, but I'll just search for the pilot ID because since I'm working on my subscribers org, so I'm just making sure the contact belongs to his or her org. So nothing I have to do, I have mentioned here, right? So you can see this one. You can see a pause record here. So the moment you do that, your pause flow will go away. So here it says session ID is expired. One sec, what I made a wrong here. Okay, yeah, session ID is expired. Let me do authenticate again. API only is correct. Proceed. One sec. No, this URL I have to copy. Got it. What I'm doing mistake. Yeah, got two variables. So make sure you do that. Don't get confused with the requirement. Let's see if yeah, it's worked now. So now you go here. You should not see any record. You should not see any record here. No record. So let me quickly do again. Debug again. Sorry, I need to save the flow. Debug again. One sec. Reload it. Debug again and uncheck this. Give the mission ID. That's it. Run it. It's again paused. I can see here record is deleted. I need to go back. Pause. Here you can see I can publish it again. New publish will come. It will go away. So if that happens, that means your code is working fine. So this is what you need to try it out. Just make sure it happens properly. And if you go here, you should see the status change to status is there, right? So your flow works well. Status is picked, so it's working perfectly. So let's try it out with this. What happens? Let's say what I need to do is I need to go on debug flow. Sorry guys, I get confused sometime. Where it is? Yeah, debug again, give a new ID, contact ID I'm already populating, pause the flow will get paused. Fine. Create an event. The moment it sees the event, it is working fine. Okay, mission submitted. Create one more. Why? Flow version error. It's in pending. My bad, guys. My bad. Literally my bad. I need to change here. This ID I need to send. So that also testing has been done. If you're sending wrong, it will not. Fine. Think it should. Yeah, it worked. Now it's pending. It should become picked and contact ID should get created. I'll quickly upload this video. Please refer it. If still not work, I will again take a look on your org. Thank you so much. Bye bye.